Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Mandu. Mandu is Korean dumplings, and the two most popular types of Mandu are classic Mandu and Kimchi Mandu. In this video, I'm making the classic Mandu. First, mince the garlic and ginger. In a bowl, put the pork and beef. To season the meat, add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and ginger mixture, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, about half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix everything together. Turn up the heat to high and cook the meat until the outside is fully cooked and set it aside. Chop the Asian chives and green onions into small pieces. Blanch the bean sprouts in boiling water for 1 minute and strain. Cook the glass noodles in boiling water for 3 minutes. Strain and roughly cut them into small pieces. Also roughly chop all the vegetables, and in the food processor, add cabbage, onion, bean sprouts, pyogo mushrooms, and glass noodles. Chop everything into small pieces. If you don't have a food processor, you can manually chop with a chopping board and a knife. In a large bowl, add everything and season the mandu filling with 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and ginger mixture, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Stir in one direction until everything is well combined. This mandu filling makes about 60 mandu, but this number will vary depending on the size of the mandu skin. Now for the fun part, gather your family and friends to shape the mandu. You need to apply some water to the edge of the mandu skin and spoon about 1 tablespoon of the filling. Apply some flour to the bottom of the mandu to avoid sticking. In Korea, the circular and half moon shapes are the common mandu shapes. Normally, the circular shape is steamed or used in soups, and the half moon shape is pan-fried or deep-fried. In the steamer, put a damp cloth or kitchen towel and place the mandu. steam the mandu for 7 minutes. It's a lot of work to make mandu, but it's worth the effort because homemade mandu tastes amazing. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!